In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chats in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. First up is the fastest way to capture a single conversation without cluttering your folders, the real-time share link. Open the chat you want to save, head to the top right corner and click the share icon, which looks like an arrow or a small linked node. You'll see a quick preview. If everything looks right, click copy link. That generates an official chatgpt.com/share link you can paste straight into your tracking system, like a Google Sheet or a Notion table, so you can find it later. Keep in mind, this link is a frozen snapshot of that conversation at the exact moment you created it. If you add more messages later, the link won't update automatically. To capture new content, simply hit share again and grab a fresh link. If you share the URL with others, remember it shows exactly what's in that snapshot. If you need a complete backup for archiving or migrating your workflow, request an account-wide export. Click your profile area at the bottom left, choose the settings gear, then open data controls. Find export data and click export, then confirm. This prepares a full history package for you, ideal for safeguarding long-running projects or moving to a different documentation system. Here's what to expect next. The export doesn't download instantly. OpenAI processes your data in the background, which can take anywhere from 5 minutes to several hours, depending on how much history you have. When it's ready, you'll get a secure message in your primary email inbox. Inside that message is your download button, and it's time limited. The link works for 24 hours from when it arrives. If you miss the window, no problem. Just trigger a new export from your settings. Your download arrives as a compressed archive. Locate the file, often named something like user data export.zip, and decompress it. On Windows, right-click and choose Extract All. On macOS, just double-click to expand. Inside, you'll see Conversations, JSON, which holds all prompts and replies in structured JSON format. Great for developers or migration scripts, but not the easiest to skim. For a friendlier view, open chat.html in your browser. It's a local viewer that mirrors the live site, complete with a sidebar so you can click through, read, and copy text cleanly. Keep the folder structure intact so everything loads correctly. If you prefer instant selective backups in Markdown or PDF, install a trusted Chrome extension, such as ChatGPT, Toolbox, or Pactify. These add checkboxes to your sidebar history, letting you pick specific chats, click, bulk export, and save clean files to your drive immediately. No waiting for an email. Always review permissions and export only what you're comfortable storing, and that's it. Use snapshot links for speed, full exports for comprehensive backups, and extensions for polished on-demand files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.